Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your general energies, Pisces. These are for your general energies, guys. And I'll be picking one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship and one card from the wisdom oracle deck, Pisces. So this card will relate to the questions you have deep in your mind, guys, regarding your work situation or your relationship. Let us see what are the cards here now. Five of Swords in reverse, Ace of Cups, the Sun in reverse. So with this card, Pisces, the energy is that, guys, you are getting some new beginnings in your life, something which you are really passionate about. So maybe in your work situation, you are getting some maybe a second career. Those are creative passions, maybe a creative endeavor, something new, maybe a second career you are taking up, and you are being successful in that. That is what I see here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may feel that in your situation, because of the success that you have got till now, you may feel a certain confidence, and for some of you all it may also be some kind of arrogance that you have. You feel that you can do anything, and you are not seeing the role other people play in your situation to help you out to reach those goals, maybe, and you feel that confidence, but this may relate as arrogance to people who are there with you, guys, in your situation. And also, guys, I feel here with these cards you have that inspiration, confidence and determination, whatever you need to make it work in your life, guys, either it be your relationship or in your career. So that is what I see here. Let us see what is this card for your career situation. It is Five of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe you may be in a position, you may be struggling in your work situation. Maybe those efforts you are trying really hard, that may be the energy here. Maybe because of this new venture that has come up, you are putting in enormous efforts, but something stressful it may be, but you are getting that success. That is what I see here. Something it may turn into something advantageous for you, though you are feeling that stress and that burdens today. It will give you success. That is what I see here. Let us see what is this card for your relationship. Six of Wands in reverse, guys, Pisces. So again here, you may have some fear or hope that this person may not accept your proposal, fear maybe, and you're just wishing that they may accept it. With this card here, we are seeing it may relate to your relationship also. So you want that proposal, or this person is coming with a proposal. So you may have a fear that they may not accept your love, accept this relationship, or accept this proposal. And you, but with clarity, you may get that understanding, guys, with this person. So sometimes they may accept this proposal, or sometimes they may not. But with this card here, I see here your hope will be fulfilled if you are really in that deep understanding, love. This relationship will work out, guys. This person will accept your proposal. So, that is also what I see here, guys. So, maybe certain things are stressing you out, but with those efforts, with that confidence in your situation, you will be able to overcome all that fears, all that stressful situations, burdens, whatever it is, guys. Pisces. So, what is the oracle's guidance? So, this card will answer the deep questions you have regarding your situation, Pisces. So, whatever thoughts you have regarding your work situation or your relationship, guys. So, whatever you need to be answered, you need to answer. So, all that it will answer. So, this card stands for forgiveness, guys. So, each and every time that we are hurt, we accumulate it in the form of memories, and we go through it again and again and again, and we feel hurt, and we never let go of those hurtful memories. So now it is the time for us to move on with our life, guys. Make peace, make amends to others, and set yourself free. So you need to set yourself free, guys. So that is what I see here. Maybe in certain situations with the past person, you would have felt certain hurt. So you do not want that same situation to be repeating here. So you may have that fear in your situation. So first, what you need to do is let go of that past hurt, make amends, say sorry if you feel you were the one in mistake, or forgive them if you feel they were the one with the mistake, guys. So when you do that and when you move on, you will enjoy this present relationship with more happiness. That is what I see here. And maybe even in your work situation, maybe in your past, whatever that was not working for you, and whatever mistakes that you did, you need not blame yourself, you need not blame the other people involved in that situation. You have to let go of the past and learn from the past the lessons that needs to be learned, and move on with those efforts, whatever will give you that prosperity. So when you see that situation in this perspective, when you see that that situation is only for that learning, you will move on in your life. You will let go of that hurtful feeling. So that is what this card stands for here, guys. Pisces. So oracle's guidance is for you all to have that forgiveness and set yourself free in your life, guys. So that is a reading for you all, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.